guys, Octaval, I'm here. Welcome back to another video. It's been a long time, and in this video I have a guest with me / friend.
Hi guys.
Yeah, you know him. And today we have something special that can crash many Minecrafts.
Do not try this on your own game.
Yeah.
We are professionals. We are professionals.
We are professionals. We've already done this once, and I surprised him. And let's just get this over. Are you ready to see every
devastation?
What? I mean, yeah. Well, what is that over there, guys? Where are you? That over there is more than 2,000 blocks of TnT, and soon
it will go boom.
Boom! Yeah. So, whew, this is tense now. Chicken sandwich. He's ready. I'm ready. I'm just gonna get in, turn my head, and hold on.
I don't even know if I've got
Let me just turn my FOV onto like Octaval sort of thing.
Right. How about you go into game mode like 3, and I'll be like, I'll blow it up.
Yes, great idea. We'll be back, guys, when I'm in game mode 3.
Did it right?
Yep. Uh-oh. Boom. This is what I think of you, Volcano Mountain sort of thing.
I was going to do this. I didn't lie. Did you see your FPS?
My FPS is, I think it's a 0. It's a 0. And we still have like another 1,000 blocks to go. Oh my god. There's my bubbles. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you see everything clearly? Because my FPS is at -10.
Let me check your face. It's fine. It's all gone.
It's all gone. It's finished. Oh, my computer survived. That's how good my computer is, everybody. And
Mine's better. I was on 14 FPS the entire time.
what? I mean, I was in F1. I was in game mode 3. I was closer to the explosion.
I'm using PC, by the way, so.
True story.
Right.
Yes, so next video, hopefully, we're going to be having a tour of this server and just you explain it.
The biggest, the most hardest worked base on actually the server.
Yeah. I mean, my base is over there.
Your first one was totally enough to be destroyed by a prank.
This was the first explosion, and we've already done this once. Look at my name, it's nice. We've already done this once, and it crashed another person's computer.
One sec, I can't go.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's not AFK, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Next video, you know, whatever. And yes, this is a very special video, okay? He's on.